Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, heated and ventilated leather seats, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, dual pane sunroof, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these two-tone doors, the black plastic and the brown leather. On the bottom here, we're going to have cup holder and storage. We're also going to come equipped with our rear liftgate control, seat memory, as well as a Bose speaker sound system throughout the whole vehicle. You're going to have your power locks, power mirrors, your power windows with the chrome accent handle, Equinox badging, and of course our power adjustable two-tone leather seats, heated and ventilated, very comfortable. Left side, we're going to have ventilation and lighting. And onto the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, as well as your lane keep assist. And the right side is your voice recognition and cluster control. So with cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information as well as your fuel information, as well as you can access your Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and other vehicle settings as well. It's going to be push to start. Obviously, we're going to have our climate control with our heated and ventilated leather seat options, our auto stop, and our hazards. And up top, we're going to have our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation. Go across, you can also access your OnStar services, your front and rear, and your 360-degree camera, as well as your trailer hitch. Down below, you're going to have two USB ports, as well as an SD card reader with a 12-volt DC port and a wireless charging pad. You're going to have your park assist and your automatic park assist as well. You're going to have the new shifter, park and brake cup holders, etc. Center console with two extra USB ports. Passenger side is going to be power adjustable as well. Heated and ventilated, still very comfortable. You're going to have that two-tone across the dash with your Bose speakers up top, as well as you can access your OnStar services, your SOS, your reading lamps, and as well as your dual pane sunroof. So you're going to have these 19-inch alloy wheels. We're going to have the paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles, silver luggage rack right up top, deep tint rear glass. You're going to have your black badging as well. Of course, your powered liftgate. Open it up, you're going to have your all-weather mats with extra hooks and tie-downs with the 12-volt DC port. Seats fold down for maximum storage, and as well as you're going to have the extra wheel well storage as well. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear, it's got the same style, speakers on the bottom with cup holder and storage. We'll come up here to the power windows with a chrome accent handle. Lots of leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver seat with rear ventilation, rear heated seating, and USB ports as well, and an AC wall charger all the way down. Center console, you're going to have the cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, and right above you is that dual pane sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. As we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. Hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.